Okay, so this is just a brief video on what to expect when you're initiating the bridge model, not necessarily how to. I'm going to come over to my Explorer, so I can see the bridge models that I have in the file. You'll see that I already have a reinforced concrete haunch slab in this file. I will be pointing out a few things on that later on. But right now, I'm going to focus on adding 3 distinct bridges to define this bridge model. That will be for the approach slab, the main unit, the main bridge, and then the opposing approach slab. So first off, I wanted to cover my references that I have referenced in right now. Include the terrain model, the bridge layouts, and then all of my alignments, my super elevation shapes, and any of the corridors that the roadies have already put together essentially for this bridge, as well as a couple others in the file. So I reference all of them in and then just turn the displays off for the ones that I do not have use for right now. Primarily, reason I brought them all in was just to show you that this is a bridge that has 2 ramps framing into it. So it does have 2 alignments going across the bridge. Be sure to select, if you end up with a similar situation, just be sure to select the correct alignment, which is going to be my ramp G alignment when you define the bridge. So adding a bridge, I've selected this, and honestly, the description for main, for unit, and for feature, I like to have all of them defined the same. That way, whenever I am looking at some element of a bridge, I should see that I am looking at the A approach slab or the main unit or the Z approach slab. So a new feature of Connect is that they actually do organize the bridges either numerically or alphabetically in this list over here, which wasn't previously the case before the Connect edition. So I try to name them. So just as it is going to be here, A approach, main unit, B approach. Add just one more element of the name. Okay. And I'm going to come over and select the correct bridge alignment and accept it. Over here in my list should be BNSF A approach. I'm going to go do that again for my main unit. Come over and select the correct alignment. Accept. And then I'm going to do it again for my next approach. And this one is going to be BNSF, the approach. We'll select that, set the bridge, then I'm going to come over here and delete my main unit because I forgot to switch my main unit is not going to be an RC slab, it's going to be steel girder, steel beam. Select the correct alignment. There we go. So I've got BNSF A approach, the beam, and the Z approach. So that is how you add a bridge and initiate your bridge model.